Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. I your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more. It is the Jamaican cooking journey. And if you're new right on over here, special welcome to you. Thank you so very much for making it West Indian Delights. All you were there with me from the beginning of the journey, eh? And you're still here. Manners and respect. Now today I want to share something with you. Following up from the last video. I know a whole heap of people have said, then Debbie, oh you show me how to roast the saltfish and you never show me how to make the Johnny cake. Well, today we're going to do just that. I am going to be doing just that. My hands are clean. But for the record, you get your hands all rinsed, clean hands, pure heart. That is how you will get a successful Johnny cake or some successful Johnny cakes. Clean hands and pure heart. Pure heart means love in your heart. So right inside here, now, Johnny cake. When I was a little girl growing with my mom, she used one something. And let me tell you, lest I forget, it's just the regular fried dumpling dough. It's just the regular fried dumpling dough. And you shape it into big dumplings. Okay? That's simply, in a nutshell, that's what a Johnny cake is. It is a big, overgrown fried dumpling. That's what it is. I'm going to show you right now. Now right inside here I've got some flour, some baking powder and some salt. And you don't worry your head. I will leave for you in the description the amount that you are to use to get what you want. Now some people want put a twist. They would put some sugar. If you want Johnny to be a sweet boy, you could put yourself some sugar. I don't want a sweet boy Johnny today. I don't think I have any interest in sweet boy Johnny. Some people put sugar. I never see my mother put sugar, so I'm not used to that taste there. You see what I'm saying? But when you put sugar into this dough, or any dough, you're supposed to know you have got to treat it different. Because the more the sugar dissolves in there, it's the sticky the dough get and start stick by you, and the more it gets warmer you're using it, you start to fall into problems. So you got to know how to deal with that. Some people put some milk powder, some mix it with milk. But as I say to you, I have inside here some, and use all purpose, or if you can get some pastry flour. The better the flour. But in a few days, a good old counter flour, baby. We don't know nothing about them type of flour then. So I have in here just all flour, some baking powder and some salt. I'm just going to put a little, you could put some butter too. But I'm going to put like about these 2 scoops of this corn oil here. Just to let the dough loosen up a bit when I am, using it. My mother never used to put this in. Maybe she'll put a little butter. I'm just doing it. So you can put all kind of twists. Because if you watch other Johnny cakes video, you would see they do it different. And as usual, you have to have your little excess flour in case the dough gets too soft on you. Now this dough, I see me I do it again I show you. Because that whole heap of flour we mix already now. But you know what happened? I've got to show you. Because I wanted to see that Johnny cake is just the same regular fried dumpling dough. So you make sure so your baking powder and your salt and your little oil is evenly dispatched inside here, even out inside here. You make sure you want to do that. Some people use a KitchenAid mixer. You can go ahead if you want to use that, no problem. But I'm doing it the good old Jamaican way as I used to. Because I know I come from the old school. You want to make a well, you make a well. It doesn't matter because the water have to go in the same way. Well, I know well. A little at a time, you know the norm. And each time you throw the water, you try to use your hands. Camera girl, are you in on this? And to get it right around. And you pick it up like this. You make sure you not have no excess water down in there when it get distributed before you throw again. You see what I'm saying? There's just some little tricks to some of these things and they are not hard. Trying to get this thing to come together. So look at what I'm doing. For another time, I'm showing you how to make the basic dumpling dough. And you know, if you want to cook it, you would omit the baking powder. We don't want to raising agent in our dumpling we have cook. Huh? So, and you don't want this dough to be too dry, too tough, too barky. Because just as all the dough is, as how the dumpling are going to come out, you have to get the dough real soft. You see what I'm saying? You pick up, and at this point you start putting some pressure. You start to kneading. This is where you start to kneading. Look over here. You see you have little excess. We're going like say them no want to get involved. But you know in the mix. Okay? Okay. So when you have your dough like this, you're supposed to make your dough until all the sides of your container becomes clean. Okay? You knead it. So at this point, it looks like we don't need no more water. Some people I told you they would use milk, but I'm using water. So look here. You want to knead in this thing. Not clean, I showed you before. And you're going to knead in until don't put any more flour at this point. Do not put any more flour. You're going to knead this dough for about 50 times until every single thing from here come right in and the sides come in. And you see it's still on my hand. You're going to be kneading it in until your hand becomes clean. And when you touch it, it now stick again. We're going to do some more kneading. Okay, we have been kneading, and you see my hand? It's almost there. So you continue knead. Each time you knead, look at it, your hand becomes cleaner because you're working the dough. You are, and that's why some people prefer to use their KitchenAid mixer, because as I told you, everybody wants it the easy way these days. Most people don't want to go, but this way is the way that I know. This way is the way that I grow, and I think this way produces better results. Look at it, my hands are becoming cleaner each time. Eat some nice kneading, make it into a ball. Now that you have made it into a ball, the dough, you know, it is like a little murky. I don't know if I make it murky, whatever the word, do not put it in the description there for me, because I'm not sure if it's a proper English word, okay? But this is how it is. It's not smooth, okay? So, you don't want to have, look at it, you see it? You don't want to have the dough tough and barky and all of that. This is how soft you want, because it's like you're going to fry dumpling, you know. So what you're going to do with this dough, you're going to cover it and leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes. When we return, the first thing I'm going to do is remove this towel from this dough and show you the texture of it. We're going to be doing a little more kneading, and we're coming back to farm some of that boy, Johnny. Jessie's here waiting. She'll be officiating because I saw the thing set. Okay, now family, we are back, and I'm going to be removing this towel from the dough. My hands are clean. It's not the punching down, you know. I don't know why I punch, but it's not the east dough. Now look at the texture of the dough. Look at it. So we want to give it a look. You see how soft it is now? It is so manageable. You can do, that is how my mother dumpling dough, a sort of fried dumpling dough full of. It is so soft, it is so, I can't tell you. You have to just do it. You see what I'm saying? It is so nice. It's like, you know, the people that want to make slime and all of that, like, it is so nice. That's why, you know, it's just nice to work with. Now, this video is becoming a little bit on the crucial side with camera girl behind the camera. Johnny is a beautiful little boy. Johnny is a good little boy. He's always good. So right here, we have two little eyes for Johnny and a nose. These are craisins, is it? Craisins. So you can use your raisin. We're just trying to be creative. We're just trying to have fun with Johnny. He's such a good little boy, mind you. We have our oil over here being preheated. We're going to be frying it on medium, but we don't want to get too hot. It's just right there. So now we have two little eyes. We want to fix up Johnny's face, okay? Here we go. Real nice smooth, succulent, beautiful, soft, nice dough. We want to break off, because I tell you it's an overgrown fried dumpling, you know, like a cat dumpling where you go fry. So we have to get it at a reasonable size. Now, this is so soft, how nice this dough. You're going to be forming a beautiful ball. It's easy to form. The dough is manageable. Nice dough. My mother would continue to do this right around. But I'm going to be using for you right here a rolling pin. Look at the dough. You don't have to flour when you're working with this dough. So we have our baking powder, you know, that helps it to rise. So you want to gently, not too hard. You got to be gentle. Johnny is a good little boy, you know. Come, Johnny, behave yourself. Come, don't want your head come too big, you see. Okay, gently. Because it's supposed to, when it's fried, it's supposed to have a thickness that you can slice it and stuff, you know, ackee and saltfish, steam callaloo, and all of that in there. So I think this is what it should look like. Okay, let us make sure that we can lift. Now we want to use, this is, you know, this is not the norm. This is I'm just dressing up Johnny. I just want Johnny to look different from every other Johnny cake. This is just my special boy, Johnny. So I'm just showing you your kids can come in the kitchen and have some fun. You pinch a little piece of the dough. And also I'm showing you how manageable this dough is. We want Johnny to have 2 little highs, trying to be accurate. I'm not that sort of accurate person. You see what I'm saying? I'm just showing you how you and your kids can have fun in your kitchen making a Jamaican Johnny cake. That's just the whole issue of it. Having fun, feeling good. And if you so appreciate that, please say something in the comments section. We want Johnny to look good. Now we're going to give Johnny 2 little eyes. So we are going to sink his eyes down, because when it starts to fry, it rises and you don't want them getting out. Now, that's Johnny's eyes. This is your nose, Johnny. What's with your nose, boy? Now, Johnny looking really sad. With those beautiful eyes on his nose, he's looking really sad. So we want to get another little piece of this dough. Having fun right here with a Jamaican Johnny cake. And we want to give Johnny a big bright smile. Please tell me in the comment. I think your kids are going to love this. Okay, let us check on our oil. We're going to fry it on the medium. This is a custom made Jamaican Johnny cake. This is Johnny. Now let's go for a regular, it's a custom made Johnny cake. Camera girl, please to hold them on that, Johnny. That's a custom made Johnny cake. Custom made Jamaican Johnny cake. He's a good boy. So our oil is over here. Preheating. Don't fry it on too much of a high heat. Okay? We're going to make a regular one. So you're going to lift this custom made ball here, Johnny. Johnny, be good. Right on over here in the oil. And it starts frying. On the medium. And as it goes, as it starts to fry, it will be rising because the baking soda is in there. Now, camera girl, I want you to position yourself properly and let them look at the good boy Johnny in Jesse and Johnny. Look at it, y'all, and comment below. Now let our heat stay down there. We want to keep it at a minimal. We're coming back right over here and we're gonna form for you a regular Johnny cake. Nice, beautiful, workable dough. Let's go. Why are we running so much today? We're doing it one at a time. One at a time. So, you see what I'm talking about? That a Johnny cake is an overgrown fried dumpling. When we return, this good boy here should be ready. And then we'll proceed on the other Johnny. Okay, now family, we are right back. So we did for you just one of a nice little custom Johnny. And another, the regular Johnny cake. You have to have it at this thickness So you can slice it and you can put what you want in there. You can pack up what you want on top of it and eat it. When you slice it, you'll have it as a sandwich. When we were younger, okay, we would eat. I love this with callaloo, ackee and saltfish, tin mackerel. You can put absolutely anything you want to put with it. Try to remember, this is no other Johnny cake than the Jamaican Johnny cake. Fimi Debbie down a yard. Let me present to you. From my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to wherever you are, to your family table, to your plate, to your stomach. Okay? It's Jamaican Johnny cake. Please enjoy. Okay? Remember to have fun with your kids. Teach them, show them, man. Those of you who are Jamaicans, and I know some of you remember it, and especially the boys, sometimes they would take one of these to school with them. Hello, you get one of these to carry with your lunch sometime in a year. So when your next friend them, other boys here take out this, them run you down if you remember anything like that or if ever happened to you as a boy growing up in Jamaica. Please comment. Remember to like, share and subscribe if you have liked this video. Thumbs it up. Give me a thumbs up. Okay? When you do subscribe to the channel, please click the notification button. When you do click the notification button and leave your comments below, left them comment, type up. That is how you're going to be a member of the post notification crew. Subscribe, click the bell, and when these videos are released and you watch them, comment. First to comment or second or thereabout, you will be a part of the post notification crew. And today's post notification shout out goes to no other than Joy Davis. Mama, I don't know if you're a Jamaican, baby. If you're a Jamaican, please come on. Thank you. Please comment. Thank you so much, Joy Davis, for being a part of the Jamaican cooking journey. Remember to like, share, subscribe again. Leave your comments below. Love you. Love you. Love you all so much. Bless. No stress. Debbie from Dongaya.